Hello friends, is your car struggling with rough idling, misfiring, or sudden loss of power? If your check engine light is showing code P0361, you might be dealing with an ignition coil K circuit malfunction. Ignoring this problem can lead to increased fuel consumption, poor performance, and potential engine damage. In this video, we'll explain what P0361 means, its symptoms, exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0361 stands for Ignition Coil K Primary-Secondary Circuit Malfunction. The ignition coil plays a crucial role in providing the high voltage needed to ignite the air-fuel mixture inside the engine cylinders. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, continuously monitors the ignition system, and when it detects an issue with Ignition Coil K, it triggers code P0361. This issue is common in V8, V10, and V12 engines where each cylinder has an individual ignition coil. Common symptoms of P0361 include check engine light on, engine misfires or rough idle, loss of power and acceleration, difficulty in starting the engine, increased fuel consumption, and unusual engine sounds like knocking or hesitation. Ignoring this issue can cause damage to the catalytic converter, leading to expensive repairs. The ignition coil K is typically located on the cylinder head, above the spark plug for cylinder 11. For V8 engines, check your vehicle's firing order, as not all V8s have a cylinder 11. For V10 engines, cylinder 11 is usually located on the passenger side, near the rear of the engine. If your car has a coil pack instead of individual coils, the coil pack will be mounted on the intake manifold or near the firewall. Faulty ignition coil K. A damaged or shorted coil can trigger this error. Wiring or connector issues. Broken, corroded, or loose wires in the ignition coil circuit. Defective spark plug or spark plug wires. A bad spark plug can overload the coil, causing it to fail. Faulty PCM or Powertrain Control Module. If the PCM is not sending the correct signals, this code can appear. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A damaged fuse or relay can cut power to the ignition coil. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the code and check for related misfire codes. Step 2. Locate ignition coil K at cylinder 11 and inspect it for burn marks, cracks, or damage. Step 3. Check the wiring harness and connectors for loose or corroded connections. Step 4. Test the spark plug and ignition coil using a multimeter to check resistance and voltage. Step 5. If the coil is faulty, replace it with a new one. Step 6. Inspect and replace any blown fuses or faulty relays. Step 7. Clear the code with an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. A failing ignition coil K can lead to continuous misfires, poor fuel economy, and long-term engine damage. Fixing P0361 early will ensure a smooth-running engine and prevent costly repairs. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0020. Intake camshaft position actuator circuit, bank 2, and P0021, camshaft position timing over advanced, bank 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.